This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Stacy Seville. Cute and cozy. This home is situated on over half-acre corner lot in Ponderosa Hills. Walk into the front door of this single-level home and you are greeted to an open-concept floor plan featuring newer laminate flooring and fresh interior paint. Living room offers a brick fireplace with insert that will warm the house right up. The galley-style kitchen has updated countertops and a new stove. Dining room has a sliding glass door leading you out to the back deck and laundry room. Down the hall are two spacious guest bedrooms, hall bath, and the master suite. The one-car garage has the perfect setup for a workshop area with a workbench already in place. Home is complete with central heat and air and public water. Enjoy cooling off the rest of summer in the community swimming pool. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Seville at 209-566-4756.